So it's Sunday and we decided to go for a walk, but we hadn't been to here before, so we thought we'd give it a try. And apparently you can easily get lost in it because there's quite a lot of it. So we're hoping that there's enough signal on the phones to tell us where we are when we're coming back. Hardy-har. So that's that. But it looks alright. I was under the impression it was going to be deserted, and we've seen about a dozen people with dogs so far, and we've only walked about 5 minutes. But here we are. It is what it is. I guess everyone knows about this place. And if they're going to walk their dogs somewhere, they might as well come here. There's some big old trees here. They've been here a long time. Not quite Canadian redwoods, but all the same. Big old beasts. I wouldn't want to try and climb one if a bear was after me. Anyway, they can climb trees better than I ever could. Some nice stagnant water down there. Thankfully the dog's on the lead at the moment. Looks like there's doggy footprints in the mud. Oh, we're just plodding along. Yes. Oh, he's found the water. Jolly hollyhocks. What are you doing? You doing a swim? Oh, great. Hope it's not too smelly. Terrible you are. And again. Guess what? I found some water. And again. Back again. Ugh. Zoom is. I've got a stick.
I've got to stay behind you at all times, haven't I?
No, you don't have to. Oops, there he goes. Trying to find a route into the water again, and now I can't get out. Ugh, stupid dog. Come on. Ugh. Take your stick and go. I'm bored with this stick now. Go on. It looks like somebody's been chopping out dead wood and clearing it. So that's good, I suppose. Well, there's a dead tree there. It might have just fallen over. There's a big old boy as well. Yes. You want that landing on your head. Anyway, tall things they are. Where's he now? Jago! God, miles away. What are you doing? Stay here. Stay with us. You can't keep running away like that. You're mad. You'll get lost. We won't be able to find you. Come on, let's go. Well, we should be able to find him with a tracker. That's if we get any GPS down here. Holly, we haven't seen you since Christmas. Never mind. So silly. Zoom. That's a big drone. Hopefully, at least, we seem to keep walking uphill, so hopefully it'll all be downhill when we go back. Yeah. There's a tree falling, well, two actually. There's 2 trees falling down over there. 3, because there's one on the floor.
Do you think they fell down, or do you think they've been felled?
No, if they'd been felled, they wouldn't have been left like that. They've just gone, we've had enough of this, let's get over. Yeah. Okay. Don't know why one went because we're standing still, I should think. Well, it's nearly dry again now, all that running around. Oops. Mind the rocks in the middle of the path. I think they're supposed to be haunted, aren't they? So, if you're yeah, ghost animals, who knows? Well, if a ghost caught up you in here at night time, they'd catch you before you got out. You'd have a ghost wolf after you.
Yeah.
A couple of cyclists.
Jacob.
Keep out the way. Come on.
Jacob.
Here we are. He's gone past him. Oh, as regards to... Oh, still quite a way.
You parked here.
And we're up there. Okay. How much more wood is there after that? Oh, it does go on forever. Okay. Well, we best not go to the end then. We'll just have to make a decision and turn around.
Yeah. It's not very...
Jacob! Jacob! What's going on? What's going on? What's happening? You good boy? You mad dog. Shall we go?